Hi guys, I'm out here looking crazy. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a get ready with me featuring Tinashe hair. They sent me this super cute curly wig and I'm going to show you guys how I install it. I'm going to do my makeup. We're going to chat because I haven't talked to you guys in a long time and I just wanted to talk to you guys. But yeah, this wig came already made. All I did was bleach the knots, pluck it, and add a little patch of bleach to the front for like a little bit of color. All I'm doing is using the bald cap method to apply my wig. I use 3 layers of bold hold lace glue, and yeah, I'm just gonna glue my wig down, sis. Moving on to the makeup. Oh, by the way, I did wet my hair with water and I used Narobi's foam. And now we're gonna move on to the makeup. Let me tell y'all something, sis. I recorded this whole cute eye look. I'm looking for something. I recorded this whole eye look and my memory card malfunctioned and erased all of that footage. I swear, I'm not lying. I swear to God that happened. And if you film videos, you know dumb stuff like that happens sometimes. So the whole eye look was lost. If you want me to recreate this eye look on a model, comment down below and I'll do that. But girl, I ain't finna do this on myself again because y'all know I only do my makeup once a month, okay? So we going in with my foundation. I went back to using my MAC Nourishing foundation just because I just really like the finish. I like the formula and everything. And if you look at my skin, like my face is darker than my chest. And I just like to come to a happy medium. Like I'm not going to make my face the same color as my chest because my chest is like really light. But I do bring my foundation a little bit closer to my chest color just so that my face doesn't look like really dark and then my chest is like really light. Since I haven't been getting any sun, I don't have a tan, so I'm still two-tone. But anyway, I'm highlighting with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, and I'm using my concealer from MAC and the 24-hour wear in NC50, and I'm just doing the regular smegular. But yeah, oh my god, I miss you guys so much, y'all. I've been so busy. I know I always say that like I'm so busy, but I real life am busy. Like I'm a makeup artist. I have my own brand, so I'm shipping out orders. I'm taking clients. I try to maintain my YouTube. I'm trying to open up my shop. So I've been working on the renovations for my shop. I've been working on getting this money so I can buy everything that I want and need for the shop so the vision for my shop can come alive. And you guys know it's been a month since I've been in my new house. I'm still trying to furnish everything. You know, it's a lot. Your girl be doing a lot. Your girl got 3 jobs, okay? But yeah, I miss you guys. So, you know, I just wanted to come up here and talk to y'all to update y'all on what's been going on or whatever. So now I'm just blending my concealer out. I'm using my Shop Miss A Beauty Blender, and I like to blend out the outside of my under eye first. And then I go in to blend out the inside. So now I'm going in with my SACHA Buttercup powder, which you guys, I finally was able to find because it was packed away. I don't know if you noticed the last 2 videos I did on myself, I was using another powder. Yeah, my powder. I didn't know where it was, so I unpacked it. And now I'm just contouring. And I'm using my Juvias Place, not contour palette, Warrior 2 palette to contour my face. Nose, cheeks, forehead, chin, you know. I have to find this brush so I can list it for you guys because it's from Amazon. Alright, So now I'm just taking my foundation brush and I'm gonna start to press the powder in on my forehead and under my eyes and thing, you know. Now I'm taking NYX Jumbo White Pencil and I'm going to waterline my under eye. And this is really something that I just do for like my Instagram makeup, or I'll do on YouTube, because if you guys like do watch me and do know me, you know my eyes are super big and this just makes my eyes look bigger. And I love my big eyes, but it's not really necessary when you have big eyes. It's just like, for me, I do it when I'm gonna, like, you know, make an appearance, take a cute picture on Instagram. It looks, you know, nice in pictures, but I don't know. I just think it makes my eyes look like too big in real life. Like, I don't really need it, but it's cute. I don't know. It's personal preference. And you guys, now I'm just taking my Art Natural setting spray and I'm spraying my setting brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just setting my under eye because my under eye was looking like a little bit dry. I don't know, I probably baked for a little bit too long because I was like jamming and stuff. By the way, all the details for the eye look will be down below. Like I said before, let me know if you want me to recreate this eye look on somebody else's, because I ain't gonna do it on me. My camera, my memory card done let me down, sis. Done played me out, but I remember every single thing that I did, so I could just recreate it. I can literally do like somebody's makeup from 2 weeks ago and I'll remember every single product that I use. Like, I'm really weird, but yeah, it'll be easy to recreate. It's really, really pretty. It was even more pretty in person. You can never go wrong with purple eyeshadow. Moving on to the lips, I'm just using this new lipstick, which is, yes, my lipstick that I'm still working on, you guys. I do have a cosmetics line that I'm always working on, trying to improve, add new products. So that's another thing I've been really busy with. My inventory, trying to decide what I'm adding next, what new products I'm adding, packaging. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know. Highlight that I'm using is Glow Up Academy's highlighter in Glow Sis. I try to use different highlighters, but this is my favorite highlighter. Like, I don't know, like, I just really love it. So yeah, for my gloss, I'm using MAC's Oyster Girl. Now moving back to the hair, I'm just going to kind of break the curls up a little bit. The natural curl of this hair is a really pretty tight spiral curl, so I wanted to loosen it up just a little bit to make the hair a little bit bigger. This wig is so freaking pretty. I've gotten so many compliments on my hair. My grandmother keeps saying she loves my hair like this. Super cute wig. Okay, you guys. This is a completed look. Tell me, guys, what you think, if you like it. I hope you like my little chit chat, my little, you know, I just wanted to talk to y'all because I can't come on camera and talk to y'all because I have the AC running and it's too loud, so I have to do the voiceover. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it's ghetto, but I wanted to talk to y'all. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next videos. Bye.